I just stumbled on another trail. I have to take it. I was debating it. When I say it's cold out here, it's cold out here. My lips are going numb. But I have to see what's at the end of this trail. It's pretty out here though. Very, very pretty. Water crossings, stairs made of rocks, stairs made of lumber. Can't even talk. All right, gonna press on. I must say, Zion National Park is beautiful, but it is cold. My lips going numb, the sun's going down, but I really want to see what's at the end of this trail. So, yeah, hopefully it's not much longer because I can't feel my face. I'm so cold, my brain automatically goes to over the river and through the woods. Just trying to keep my mind off the cold. But it's really cool out here. The water crossings, the sights, the snow. Face is red. It's cold. I think it's like 20. And I'm wearing shorts. What? I think I finally found the end of the trail. If it's not the end, I'll have to come back. But check out the cabin in the woods. This crap is up here. I think I hiked up here like 3 miles, maybe 2, but it's cold, so I'm multiplying. It might be 1.5. I actually thought this cabin was like a park ranger cabin, but it's actually the Larson cabin. It's part of a heritage culture. Pretty neat. I just saw a deer. Over the river and through the woods to grandma's house we go. Over the river and through the woods to grandma's house we go. Over the river and through the woods. That hike was awesome. If you're in the Utah area or surrounding states, it's a pretty good hike. It was just so much dirt. I just made it to the Valley of Fire. But check out this. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Smitty's, the truck and travel channel. And if you've been here before, what's up, squad? What's up, squad? Welcome back. I'm currently at a state park in Nevada called Valley of Fire. It sounds wicked, doesn't it? This is definitely you definitely got to be in shape to be walking up these trails and hiking. Good gracious. Nevada, Utah, Arizona, you got to be outdoorsy people. I used to be, but now I'm fat, so I'm on my way to Las Vegas. I should be there in about an hour from here. I just wanted to kill some more time and see the state park and get my free exercise in. Yeah. After I leave Vegas, I'm going to be heading to San Diego for something I've always wanted to do. And I finally got just a teeny tiny bit of money to do it. But once I get back, I'm going to be broke as a joke. And I probably won't be uploading videos for a little while because I got to build my funds back up. But yeah, let's take a look at this park. Check out the view. Look how high up we are. Yeah. Welcome to another episode of Cribs. This is my nice castle right here. You got your art room right here. You can draw whatever you want with whatever color. You got your living area right here. Bunch of room for a bunch of people. You got your kitchen area back here. You even got a kitchen pass-through right here to hand stuff to your guests. Big old room for seating. Whatever you want. You can't beat this house. You can't put a price on this type of house. And you got this amazing view right here. Like, you can't beat it. I'm thinking.
I'm late.